First step, Lala. Ayan, kids. Sabi ni Lala, twist your body down and then clap. Okay, ganito. In 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, and clap. Other side. 1, 2, 3, and clap. Okay, sa ating second step, Lala Chan. Okay, kids, point up and then walk. Okay, ganito. In 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Other side. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, kids, nakuha po ba yung 2 easy steps natin? Okay, so mukhang ready na ang ating kids. Music please, Ate Glay. Okay, kids,
go!
Twist your body. Point. Jump. Okay, twist your body. Point. Okay, very good everyone. Ayan, nagtatalon-talon na sila. So, may energy na ang ating mga kids. Okay, kids,